Welcome back everyone to another lake video. Today some picture from the sky. Literally I am quite high, as you all see. I will make a better view from another angle, because over here you don't see the whole picture. But if you pay attention to the bridge over there, it's a very special kind of bridge, and it's a part of a small lake. Very good looking weather outside, and water rise, it's more than 1.5 meters above normal. We had a lot of rain and not a lot of snow, which we had a very wet winter. Today I really feel like it's a spring, not winter, even though it was kind of a chill outside this morning. We had I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there's a deer. Oh, just look at that, guys. Deers. Oh man, I did not see it. It was too late. I very much would like to see you. It was a 5-6 deers, but man, I saw them way too late. They went right there. I saw with my own eyes, but it was too late to show you. It was a big mess. The spring is definitely here, guys, and I will actually show you from the other side of the lake how high the water is and what's so special about this place, because trust me what I'm gonna say right now, I will surprise you with some other information. So look at this view. It's pretty nice. Now what's so special with this is that it's a small lake which had a lot of fish. There's a very good place that you can catch real big pikes. I do believe that. Yeah, my biggest pike right here, it was a little bit more than 10 years ago, but it was 104 centimeter long, and it was the weight around 8 kilograms. That was one of my biggest fish I ever caught in my life, and it was right here, guys. Absolutely ridiculous. Now the water level, it's crazy high. I never seen in my life such a high level. I don't know if I can zoom all the way there. There you have some birds. Definitely some birds over there. I have pretty good zoom. The camera I use, it's a Nikon P610. It's not a brand new, it's kind of old. This used to be my my daughter's camera, but she doesn't use the big cameras anymore. It is what it is, but then I can use it so I can have really good looking pictures. So guys, I know it sounds weird, but it's a small tiny water from the big lake over there. So I will actually try to come back in, let's say, 3 weeks from now. As you can see here, I can probably show you guys everything here. It's not normal in that case, that there's a lot of water going on. There's at least, as long as you can see here, all these places, it shouldn't be water, but it is because of extremely high water level. And very far away you can definitely see the lake. It's no wind whatsoever. And on this side it's actually a small farmer that the cows on the summertime they bathe. So everything you see here, it's couple feet of water everywhere, which shouldn't be here. You know what I mean? But it's a good place for the birds. Or I don't know what kind of bird. It's a huge big bird. It's like a geese or something. I'll try to zoom all the way. See if I can manage. So wild birds. It's kind of early, I do believe. At least 1 month too early. This is how they look.